Good afternoon. My name is Erika Alexandra Lizarazo. My last trip was to Bogota. This place is near to Boyacá. I traveled with my aunt and my cousin. We went to visit an aunt, and in this place we had lunch. After lunch, we went to eat ice cream in the park. If this place it is too cold. Our trip was only one day. At weekend we returned on the bus. At the moment it was like to be able to travel to Cartagena, since it is a very beautiful place to be able to relax and enjoy life. It would also like to be able to give my parents a house as they have helped me in everything I need. Thank you.